Hello everyone, my name is Parsai. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. I teach immigration consulting at Ashton College. I'm also the author of 88 Tips on Immigration to Canada, which is a book available on Amazon websites. The reason for this specific video is a question that people constantly ask us. If my visa has been refused, can I apply for a work permit? Can I apply for a study permit? Can I apply for immigration to Canada? Or can I apply for visa again? There are two major reasons that your visa application is refused. Main reason is that they see you do not meet the requirements of the Act. So for example, they say you won't leave Canada by the end of your stay in Canada. Or for example, you have not provided enough documents to show that you are financially capable to stay in Canada. In those situations, you can obviously again apply for a work permit or a study permit or permanent residency or another visitor's visa. Does this mean that the next time that you apply, you will be approved? Not necessarily, but that very specific refusal does not result in another refusal. You need obviously to provide more documents, proper documents, show that you're financially stable, show that you have ties to your home country, etc., etc. Or if it's a permanent residency application, you need to provide enough documentation to prove that you meet the requirements of the Act to apply as a permanent resident of Canada. If the officer finds out that the evidence you have provided the second time is compelling, then they may accept your application. But if the refusal is based on inadmissibility to Canada, then the problem is take you to a different direction, because unfortunately in those situations they may say no, you may not apply for permanent residency or work permit for a study permit. In those situations you need to try to resolve the inadmissibility case. So you may apply for, in some cases, for a temporary resident permit, for an HNC application. You may apply for ministerial relief or rehabilitation, or you may challenge the decision of the officer at the federal court with a judicial review application. For inadmissibility, there is huge problem. If the refusal is not based on inadmissibility, it doesn't prevent you to apply again, but you need to show enough documentation to be convincing. Thank you very much for watching this video.